What's up, Rockets? I'm Brian Berry.
And I'm Darius Souter.
And this is J-Rocket TV. Our top story. On October 1st, construction began on the Alamo Visitor Center and Museum, which will address the 300-year-old past of the mission and battle site.
The museum will feature 8 chronological galleries from the start of the Alamo mission in 1718, with each talking about a different part of the Alamo's history.
This also includes plans to convert the historic Crockett, Palace, and Woolworth buildings into a modern visitor complex, which is estimated to bring in billions of dollars to the local economy.
Along with all these changes, the 1930s-era Cento Path Monument will also be receiving repairs, and the Alamo Visitor Center and Museum will excitedly feature a 4D theater to provide immersive experiences. The Alamo Makeover project is expected to cost about $550 million and be finished by the fall of 2027.
In science news, Earth now has a new temporary mini-moon. Recently, the discovery of an asteroid near Earth has been making the rounds on the internet.
This asteroid named 2024 PT5 is captured in Earth's gravitational pull and will orbit our planet for around 2 months before swinging back into space. This mini-moon has been orbiting Earth from September 29th and will continue until November 25th, which is 57 days.
This mini-moon is only around 30 feet long and is too small to be seen by our eyes. However, even if this mini-moon is too small to see, it is still the largest mini-moon ever discovered.
Recently, we asked for your help in deciding which commercial produced by Mr. Beast's AV production class was the best by having you vote on different commercials.
Your choices were the Don't Look at Me Ray, Bryn, the Auto Plunger, Pill X, and the Think-A-Bob.
And the winner is the Think-A-Bob.
Thank you for all the teams that worked on this project, and a special thanks to all the teachers who took the time to have their students vote on which commercial they thought was the best.
And now for this week's Word on the Street. Here's Avery and Peach.
Avery! Avery? Where's Avery?
Hello.
Hi! What's the word on the street?
Are you Team Apple or Team Android?
I wonder.
Apple or Android?
I'm an Apple fan. I had Android for years, but after switching to Apple, iMessage games, emojis, FaceTime, I'm a big Apple person.
The question is, are you Team Apple or Team Android?
I am Team Android.
Can I have a reason?
I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I wanted to say Apple first, just so I can be a traitor. But no, I love my Android. It's a good, durable phone, because people be dropping Apple phones, and guess what? It cracks. Like already. Guess what? My Android has been dropped 30,000 times, and guess what? Hasn't cracked yet.
Are you Team Apple or Team Android?
Apple.
Can you give us a reason?
I just think it's easier, to maneuver stuff. It just looks more simple, I guess, and it's more clean looking. So that's why I always choose Apple.
Team Apple?
Apple.
Is there a reason? It's just better.
Apple or Android?
Android.
Team Android.
Okay, that's great.
Apple. 1,000% Team Apple.
I have an Apple, but me personally, I want to go with Android because 1, they don't take up as much storage, and 2, they're a lot better with durability and stuff. So definitely Team Android.
Apple.
Team Apple or Team Android?
What was the second one?
Huh?
What was the second one?
That's it.
Oh, Team Apple.
Neither. Because when AI takes over, they're both gonna kill everyone.
You're not wrong. That is a good answer.
So I'm gonna say Siri. Siri.
Okay.
Thank you to Siri. Say thank you, Siri. Siri will protect you from Apple and Android.
Well, that's about all the time we have for this week, Rockets. I'm Brian Berry.
And I'm Darius Souter.
And this has been J-Rocket TV. To see our older broadcasts and other content, make sure to subscribe to our channel at youtube.com/JRocketTV.